Hello guys, welcome to Canvas Window Art channel. Today again we will be working with another interesting question, old question that was asked previously in NATA examination. To answer this question, you need a focal line as usual. We'll be answering this question with 1 point perspective. So try to draw the focal line and take the guidelines. Draw the examination hall. Inside the examination hall, students are sitting, and try draw students with a different expression. After making rough outline drawing, you could make the fair outline drawing with darker lines. Then you need to decide the light direction. Here light is coming through the window, so that you could shade left side of the object and try adding the shadow to all over the place and to the students. And now I wanted to tell you very important thing. Whichever we have posted here, these all old question that was given to NATA examination previously. This type of question may will come to the NATA examination 2018, but the same kind of a question will never come. And from this type of tutorials you could get practice. Try understand what type of the question you'll be getting, what kind of a description you'll be getting. So that is all you could understand and practice. You may expect this kind of a question, but not the same question. Practicing this kind of a question will help you to improve your confidence level to crack any type of question. So here I am speeding up the video because of duration. Okay, now here we have a completed drawing. I hope we have answered given question. Okay, I think you like this video tutorial. Subscribe, comment, share, and we will meet again with another tutorial. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.